I gave you one question here. Subtract 7x plus 3y minus 2 from 7y plus 3s plus 5. Are you getting the answer? Yes, children, be careful. Write in order. 7y plus 3x. X first, because x is first. 3s plus 7y plus 5. Then the operation is minus. You can do subtraction from. Be careful, I told you. That means plus will be minus, plus will be minus, minus will be plus. After that, look this. It became plus 3 minus 7 minus 4x plus 7 minus 3 4y 5 plus 2 plus 7. Do you agree? 3 minus 7 4 minus 4x plus 7 minus 3 4 4y plus 5 minus 5 plus 2, because minus will be plus, plus will be minus. Subtraction means change the sign and that. This is called vertical method. So what I did here, 3x, 7y plus 3s plus 5. We know that this is algebraic expression. So here x first. So I try to write x first. 3x plus 7y plus 5. Minus means change the sign and that. Anybody got this answer? Anybody? Anybody got this answer or not? Now 14 are there. Okay, fine. Anybody got this answer? This answer is correct?
Yes.
Okay. Don't confuse. Now I'm talking about multiplication. Multiplication, I told you, this is here, not hard. But be careful and combine the monomial in the polynomial. Yes, Yasin, what is the problem? Any problem? Monomial. You know what is monomial? One term. Binomial means two term. Trinomial, three term. These all are polynomial. What I want to tell you, multiplication of monomial by monomial, monomial by binomial, monomial by trinomial, binomial by binomial, binomial by trinomial. Together I am doing all exercises. Because listen me today. Because no need a separate. Because that is multiplication. Addition and subtraction we studied. Addition. Doesn't matter, add the coefficient. You know the coefficient, you know the like terms, everything you know it. So that is why I'm not explaining again that we study. So you can see in your textbook, you can see multiplication of expressions, algebraic expression. Write the heading there. Maybe last class you wrote the multiplication, new page. Multiplication of algebraic expressions. You know multiplication? Let me repeat the addition. Here, for the example from example, 2x into 3x. See, what is the answer for this one? Tell me. 2x into 3x. Tell me fast. 2x into 3x.
6x.
6x is wrong.
6x square.
Very good, 6x. You see, before that 2x plus 3x, that means 5x we studied. 2 mangoes plus 3 mangoes, 5 mangoes square. But here multiplication, 2x into 3x, that means 2 3s are 6 into x, that means 6s square. Now listen here, 4y into 2x into 5m. What is the multiplication? Compare the addition and multiplication. For addition, we have to check like terms only. We can add like terms only. But for multiplication, we can multiply. We can multiply. Doesn't matter how many. That is the multiplication. Addition and subtraction like terms only. Midilaj, any problem? Midilaj? Tell me, Midilaj. Any problem? You raise your hand, that is why any problem. Okay, fine. Any problem, then only please rise. Because I want to cover this one. Now, what I am telling, 4y plus 2, 4y into 2x plus 5. Anybody please? Can I multiply? Does it matter? Make it wrong. Can I multiply this one? Monomial, whatever be that. X, y, and m are the terms. What is the answer? Anybody please? 4 into 2 into 5. Multiply all constant or all coefficient and the x into y into m. That means 4, you can see 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 4, that means 40. X, y, m. Do you agree? Sammadikuna?
Yes.
Okay. So what I did? Multiplication easy, I told you. 4 into 2 into 5. Coefficient you have to multiply. Then x into y into m, you can multiply. That means that x into y into m, that means x, y, m. Now listen here. You can ask me, sir, before that you thought like term, no multiplication, I didn't tell like term. Anytime we can multiply this matter. But 4y plus 2x plus 5m. What is the answer here? Tell me. Yes. Anything? 4y plus 2x plus 5m. What is the answer here? Don't call me. Go. 4y plus 2x plus 5m is equal to what is the answer? Tell me. Tell me.
40
What is the answer?
by
Yes. What is the answer? Addition here. It is not multiplication. Not 40x plus y plus m. The answer is the same thing only. We cannot add. It is not like term. In addition, be careful. We can add like terms only. But multiplication, we can do. We can multiply. That is the difference. Multiply. Suppose in this question, 2s square plus 3x. We cannot add, I told you. This is 2x squared plus 3x only. Because s square and 3x, s square and x are not like term. 5 square and 5 are different. Now, but we can multiply 2s square into 3s square. What is the answer here? 2s square into 3s. What is the answer? 2 into 3, 6. Then s square into x. What is the answer? Tell me. S square into x. You have to understand the class. You study the exponents. S to the power of m into s to the power of n. What is it? Nobody is telling you. S to the power of m plus n. Exponents law you studied or not? Partition exponents law?
yes.
7th of the book is
Yes.
written. Then why are you not talking? What is s to the power of m divided by s to the power of n? S to the power of m divided by s to the power of n is equal to. What is the answer? Yes, you are talking. What is the answer? What is the answer? Tell me.
X m minus n.
Tell me. You are correct. Orkapari. Let me hear.
M minus n. X m minus n.
S to the power of m minus n. S to the power of m minus n. That is it. Now tell me what is f to the power of 0. How much?
1.
1. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. Now what is this? S inverse 1. What is S inverse 1? X inverse 1. What is it? Or 5 inverse 1. What is it? X inverse 1 or 5 inverse 1 or 5 inverse 2. What is it? What is X inverse 1?
Minus 1 into 1.
No, not minus 1 into 1. X inverse 1 is 1 by X. 5 inverse 1 is 1 by 5. 5 inverse 2 means 1 by 5 square. That is inverse. 5 square, 25. Is 1 by 5 square means 1 by 25. That is 1 by 25. So small. 5 square is big, 25. But 1 by 25 is 25 parts. You are cutting a chocolate, 1 part only. That is 1 by 25. Anyway, this all exponents law we have to remember. These are the laws last year. Then we can say x, y to the power of n. That means s to the power of n, y to the power of n. Sy to the power of n means s to the power of n, y to the power of n. Write this first multiplication. Monomial first. Now listen and write. Any doubt you can ask me. I'll write again. ഏതാ സംശയം? ഇതുവരെ ഞാൻ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്ത് എന്തെങ്കിലും സംശയം ഉണ്ടോ? Any doubt?
No.
പറയേ ഏതൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ. What is that? അറ്റൻഡൻസ് ഞാൻ അയക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞു ആദ്യം. I told you attendance 9, 8, 10:31. 6 only. Now again, okay, 16. You are late. Now listen here. I am not talking attendance. Tell me, any confusion is here or not? What is Sy s to the power of n? S divided by y to the power of n. Tell me what is it? Exponents. S by y all to the power of n. Tell me. Anybody please? Exponents and powers. You can see last year page number 249. Please open your book from home, not now. The page number 281 and 2. You can see the laws are there. All of you listen here. From home, study this page again. Class 7 book I am talking about. Page number, class 7, 264. Page number 264. Page number 264. A raised to m, then a raised to n, then a raised to mn. Everything what I told, everything is there. A raised to m divided by b raised to n. That means, listen here. This is s to the power of n by y to the power of n. S to the power of n divided by y to the power of n is equal to s by y to the power of n. You do one thing. Page number 264. Exponents and power. Please check from home, study from home. Okay, now listen here. What I don't told you first, we can multiply all terms. We can multiply. Multiplication, no need of like. Now, multiplication of algebraic expression. First one, example. For x into 3, y, write the answer first. Second one. 2 m square into 3 m into 2 into n. What is the answer for this? Monomial into monomial into monomial. Tell me the answer.
15xy.
15xy. Second one.
Same.
Second one, 2m square into 3m into n. Anybody please tell me what is the answer of this one?
6m.
Yes, 6.
6m raised to
M
3
raised to
n.
3 and
Very good, very good. What you are doing? 2 into 3, all coefficient you are doing. What is the coefficient of n? That is 1, no need of considering. Then m square into m square into m into n. That means 2 into 3, 6. M square into m, that is m cube into n. 3m to the power of 3 n m 6 m cube n. Okay, you understood. Now listen here. Monomial, I explained. Now monomial into binomial. Under writing the heading, you can understand that. I am doing here. Monomial into binomial. 4x is the monomial. Inside binomial, you know this only one term monomial, this one. This multiplication, that is one. But here this monomial, this binomial. So what is the method? Distributivity law you had to apply. Before that, you study this one, class 6, class 7 distributivity. Whenever outside the bracket, 4x into x, 4x into x, plus what, tell me? 4x into x plus,
4x.
tell me what? Plus 3 or plus 4, 4x, what is that? I am standing this, you have to see the whiteboard. I think whiteboard കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ലേ?
Yes.
yes,
Now look here, tell me what I had to write here. 4x into x I wrote, then after that 3, then can I write 3?
4x
What is the answer? Tell me.
plus 3.
Plus 3, that is wrong.
4x into 3.
4x plus
4x into 3, exactly, 4x into 3. Because 4x, that is distributed of 4x into 3. That means 4x into 4x, 4x into x, 4x square plus 4x into 3, sorry, 4x into 3. That means 4 3s are 12, 12x. That is it. Distributivity law over addition and subtraction. When outside the bracket is there, I told you, you have to do the operation over 4x into x, 4x into 3 plus you have to write. Outside something is there, I told you, a mad dog, something like that, it will come and 2 boys are here, it will bite both of you. Biting here and biting. That is 4x. Listen carefully, this is distributive law we are applying. Now next one. Fourth one. This monomial into binomial or binomial into monomial. Y minus 2. Y minus 2 into 5x, suppose 5xy. Be careful. If 5y, you can do 5y. Write the question into 5y. Tell me the answer for this. Outside 5y is the same thing. Only subtraction is the operation side. Tell me. What is the answer?
5y into y.
Yes, 5y.
5y square.
5y into y, that means 5y square.
5y into minus 2.
Now that what is that? 5y into minus 2. Okay. 5y into minus 2. Okay. So what is the answer? 5y square
10y
minus 10y.
minus 10.
Minus 10y. Underline that because of this minus. If you are confused, it is exactly same 5y minus y minus 2. This one same thing. 5y square minus 10y. മനസ്സിലായെങ്കിൽ പറയും. Because binomial into monomial. Are you following or not? ആർക്കെങ്കിലും
Yes.
സംശയം ഇപ്പം പറയണം. കുറച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങളെ റെസ്പോൺസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടൂല. I will use the mic. ഇപ്പൊ എന്റെ ശബ്ദം ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
fine.
Yes.
Tell me. What's the doubt? Okay. നിങ്ങൾ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത് no doubt ഞാൻ കേൾക്കുന്നു. ഇവിടെ ഏതെങ്കിലും കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് പറയണം. ഞാൻ ഒന്നായി all exercise together I am doing. No need on very separately that. Clear ആണോ ഇതുവരെ? ആരോ സംശയം ചോദിച്ചല്ലോ. എവിടെയെങ്കിലും സംശയം ഉണ്ട്? I will explain again. Half our time is over.
സാറേ ഫോർത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഒന്നുകൂടി എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്യോ?
How we will get x1? Okay, listen here. This question ആണോ? ഈ question ആണോ?
Yes.
ഏത് question ആണ് പറയ്?
Fourth question.
Fourth question, this one. അല്ലേ?
Yes.
അതന്നെ same ആണ്. 5y into y minus 2 is same as y minus 2 into 5y because you know that 2 into 3 into 5 that is equal to 5 into 2 into 3 that is equal to 3 into 2 into 5. All are equal. Multiplication any order we can write. This multiplication. ഇത് ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റില്ല. You agree or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. എഴുതേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഒഴിവാക്കാൻ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാൻ. No. What I did here, I am starting from here. Y into 5y. Y into 5y. Right there. Then, after that, listen here. Minus 2 into 5y. This is minus 2, not plus 2. Minus is there. Y into 5y. Minus 2 into 5y. Alle? Clear? That means y into y is y square, 5y square. Then minus 2 into 5, minus 10. Minus 10y. Why? 5y is outside. You have to multiply. Distributive law. You study that. X into a plus b. What is the law? Class 7, class 6. Distributivity over addition. Tell me what is that? X into a plus b is equal to?
X into a plus x into.
Very good. X into a plus x into b. Be careful there. Suppose this is my subtraction. So y into a minus b. Here
Y
minus
into A
here,
minus Y into B.
ya minus yb, ya minus, sorry, ya minus yb. That is it. This law we are applying here. Simply I told you open the bracket, that is it. 5y outside, 5y into y minus 5y into minus 2. That means 10 5y square minus 10y. I think now it is clear. Clear, Aileen?
Yes.
Okay. Now suppose 3 terms are there. What we will do? That is also distributivity. Now here 2 boys are inside the home. A dog is outside. 5y is the dog and y one boy to another boy minus 2. Dog came biting this boy and biting another boy. It will bite because the mad dog I told you. Now what happened here? 2 into s plus y minus z. 3 boys are there. 3 boys are there. See, x plus y minus z. 3 students are there. A snake outside. It will bite everybody. Coming here, 2x, then 2y, then 2 into minus 2. Am I right or no? 2x plus 2y minus
Yes.
4. 3 binomial. I told you trinomial now. Same method we can apply here. Monomial into binomial, monomial into trinomial. I come into that. No square, trinomial into monomial. No, sir. The laws are same way we can do. So this is the last, what I told you, class 7 and 6 algebra. This is distributivity law. Whenever plus is there, be careful. Whenever minus, be double careful. Minus is always dangerous, I told you. Okay, everywhere, when minus is there, be careful. Plus doesn't matter. It is a good friend like me only, not dangerous. Now listen here, 5th one. Now you can make your own example. I want a trinomial. You can write. Suppose here m. I am giving here 4, 5, 6, 6m into. Yes. Answer is minus 15 what? Which answer you are talking minus 51? Okay, you are coming to the point. This answer is minus 51. Which answer? Tell me which answer. For this one? Here answer is not minus 51. 5y square minus 10y we cannot. 5y square minus 10y, no. It is not minus 51. We cannot add or subtract. That is why I told you we can add or subtract same sign only. Minus 15y raised 3. This one, no. Dear child, listen here. 5y square minus 10y we cannot. That is why first I told you we can add like terms only. That is the confusion area. Before 2 classes, I told you very clearly like terms. We cannot add or subtract this one. Do you think y square and y are same thing? Understand? Good question. Y square and y are not same thing. Y square is different. Suppose I told you 10 and 10 square. We can play a game I told you that day. I like the game. I am giving you 10 rupees. You have to give me 10 square rupees. Do you agree or not? Somebody go. What's the difference between 10 and 10 square? Tell me what is the difference?
10 into 10.
10 square is how much?
10 into 10.
What is 10 into 10?
10 square.
10 square is how much? 10 into 10 means, tell me the answer.
100.
100.
100.
100.
10 is 10 and 10 square is 100. Nobody will give. That is the difference. Here, don't think that sir, y square and y same thing. No. This we can keep like that. But you can do one thing, take y outside. Again 5y minus 10, no use. That is factorization is coming, we will do that. Here, now, no, don't do, you will confuse. I think it is clear. Clear, ayo? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now 6m. My question, 6m into 3n minus m plus 5m. Okay, 5, only 5 only. Can you open the bracket? Try to open the bracket. Monomial and a trinomial. This is one. First term, how many terms are inside the bracket? 3 terms are there. Tell me which is the second term. Second term is here, second term. The second term is which is the second term here? Second term is there.
minus m plus
Minus m. What is the coefficient of n? N is the coefficient of
1,
n. Coefficient of n.
3,
Coefficient of m.
1,
No.
minus 1, minus 1.
Minus 1. Minus is dangerous, I told you many times. So listen here. This we can open the bracket. Again, 6m into 3n. All of you write there. 6m into 6 into 3 into m into n. 6m into 3n. 6 into 3 into m into n. Now minus. Complete the work. Because of this minus. Again, 6m into m, 6m minus 6m, 6 into m, then plus, tell me, plus,
Sum into
plus 6, last term baby. What is last term?
6m into
5. 6m into 5, 6 into 5 into m. Now what is the answer? Tell me. 6 into 3, 18, 18 mn, m into n, mn. Then minus 6m square, 6m square plus 6 5s are 30, 30m. We cannot add this one. Mn is there, m is there, m square is there, all are different, no like terms. Like terms only we can add, but we can multiply. 6m into 3m, 18mn, 6m into minus m, minus 6m square, 6m into 5, 6 5s are 30, 30m. Answer ശരിയല്ലേ? ഇത്ര മനസ്സിലായോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക്? Are you following me or not?
yes,
Now you can read from your textbook, page number 142. All of you, please open 9.7. Multiplying a monomial by a monomial. I explained. Can you see 9.7, 7.1? Multiplying 2 monomials. Then 7.2 down, multiplying 3 or more monomials. Monomial multiplication, I told you, you can multiply coefficient first, then the variables. Okay. Now after that, you can see 9.2, exercise, examples are there. You have to do that example. Example 3, complete the table. Area of a rectangle. All of you listen there. Length is 3x and breadth is 5y. What is area? Length into breadth. So tell me 3x into 5, they did that 5y. Can you see that one? 143. Pink color box is there. Length is 9y and breadth is 4y square. What is the area? Area means length into breadth. That is monomial into monomial application. Area, find the area. Second one, tell me what is the answer for that. Page number 143. We can see 9y. Rectangle is the, suppose this is the rectangle. Length is given. Length is 9y. You don't know what is y. This is 4y square. So what is the area? Tell me. Area of this rectangle, tell me.
9y into 4y square.
Yes, area is equal to length into breadth, 9y into 4y square. What is the answer for that? Area is equal to 9 4s are 4 9s are 9 table is very easy. I told you finger method also you can use. Listen here, 9 table. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Class 3 you study the finger method. You want 4 9. Log 4 and C3 36. Here finger 3 before. LHS 3 and RHS 6 36. 9 4 4 9s are 4. Log the 4. Suppose you want 7 9. You can hold the finger like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 7. Log 7. Here you can see 6 63. 6 and 3 63 the digit. 9 table is very easy. By using your fingers, you can do that. Am I right or not? 7, 6. Log the 6. You know this is 5, this is 6. This is 54. See? 6. 6 9s are 55 and for 54. 3 9s. You know that 3. Log 3. Be careful like this only. 3. 2 is here. Here 27. Are you following or not? I'm talking 9 class 3 method. 9 9s are log 9. Here we can see 8. Here 1. Here 1. 81. Okay. Now, what I'm telling here? 4 9s are 36. Y into y cube. 4 9s 36. There is no confusion. Okay. Now, this is nothing, only multiplication that you have to complete. Example you have to complete. Example 4 also given. Find the volume of its rectangular piece. Breadth and height are given. What is volume? Volume is equal to? Volume of a cuboid is equal to?
Length into breadth into height.
Breadth into height. That means you have to multiply 3 monomials. That also we did. So, understand the example and complete the pink mark. Now, I am going to find the product of the following pairs of monomial. Tell me what is the answer of last question, fifth one. 4p and 0. What is the answer? Orally you can tell. 9.2. I am talking about exercise 9.2. Can you see the fifth bit? What is the fifth bit? I regularly read the fifth one. What is the question?
4p.
4p and 0. What is the answer? Multiplication 4p into 0. Find the product. What is the answer?
0.
0. Okay. Now listen here. That all you can see 4p cube minus 3p. Before that, 4p cube into minus 3p. Always put the bracket before the minus. That is better for you. Because minus is dangerous. Dangerous boy, we have to keep in a room, lock the room. That is the way the mothers are doing. 4pq minus 3p. What is the answer here? Fourth one, 4pq into minus 3p. What is the answer? Tell me. I'm waiting for the answer. No answer?
Minus 12p.
Minus 4 into minus 3 into 4 into minus 3 into p cube into p. That means 4 3s are minus 12. This is p raised to 1, you know. P to the power of 3 plus 1. That means minus 12 p raised to 4. So multiplication exponents you have to add. Okay. Now look the page number 144. You can see the second one you can do from find the areas, length into breadth, you have to multiply. Now third one you have to complete from home. Complete the table and product. 2x, 2 into 2, 4x square. Now 2x into minus 5y, what is the answer here? You have to complete that with a pencil. Tell me 2x into minus 5y.
Minus 10xy.
Minus 10xy. This you will practice, you know. You have to practice, which is very important. And it is easy. So this is easy, no need, but you have to complete that. Now tell me, last, it is the minus 9s square y square minus 9s square y square. What is the answer here? Pencil on it. What is the answer? Minus 9s square y square minus 9s square y square. So what is this? Minus 9s square y square into minus 9s square y square. I told you put in a bracket. Monomial is the monomial. Is monomial. Tell me what is the answer here? Minus 9 into s square y square into minus 9 into s square y square.
81.
81.
X raised to 4 into y raised to 4.
Excellent, very good. 81 s raised to 4 into y raised to 4. Because minus 9 into minus 9, then s square into s square, y square into y square. 9 into 9, 81. Minus into minus, you know, plus 81. S square into s square means s raised to 4. Y square into y square, y raised to 4. Exactly. Don't say, sir, s square plus s square. Don't confuse that. What is s square plus s square? S square plus s square?
X raised to 4.
No, s square into s square is s raised to 4. Suppose the question is 9s square y square plus 9y square s square. Understand the question? This multiplication, I told you the answer is correct. Suppose the question is 9s square y square plus 9y square s square. What is the answer? This addition.
18.
18, yes. 18. If you want, you can change this one. 9x square y square is equal to plus 9x square y square. 80 what? It's the same thing.
5x4
18
x square y square.
Yes, 18 s square y square. No rise to s raised to 4 y raised to 4. Because 9 mangoes plus 9 mangoes, 18 mangoes. Mangoes only, not mangoes. What is it? Square y square, same thing. Here also square y square. 5 cars plus 10 cars. That means 15 cars. 15 cars square, no. But 5 car into 10 car, that means 5 into 10 cars square. 5 into 10, 50 cars square. I don't know car square is there. But that is the method. Okay. Now, listen here. This table you have to complete from home. And you had to send to me. This table complete ചെയ്തിട്ട് എല്ലാവരും എനിക്ക് അയച്ചു തരണം. Can you? Table കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? Can you see table 140 page number 144? കുറെ ആൾക്കാർ ലെഫ്റ്റ് ആയി പോയല്ലോ. Now send me again. എവിടെ വന്ന ആൾക്കാരൊക്കെ എവിടെ പോയി? സിയാദ്
Yes.
എവിടെ പോയി നിന്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ഒക്കെ? 10 പേരൊപ്പല്ലേ?
I don't know.
Okay. Only 9. ഇപ്പൊ 9 പേരല്ലേ? What happened? Okay, നീ ഇതിന്റെ സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് ഒന്ന് അയക്കും ഇപ്പൊ. അയക്കാൻ പറ്റും ആർക്കെങ്കിലും അയക്കാൻ പറ്റുമെന്ന് അയച്ചേക്ക്. ആരാ അയക്കാം? ആരാ എക്സ്പെർട്ട് ആയില്? നേരത്തെ മലിഹ അയച്ചോ?
Yes.
And now also send it. Now 11:21 only, 11:20. 10 more minutes അത്. വളരെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് കൺസെപ്റ്റാ പറയുന്നത്. അത് ആദ്യം 5 പേര്, പിന്നെ 15 പേര്, ഇപ്പൊ 11 പേര്. Okay, please send it. Now listen here, only 10 minutes. What I am telling, be careful multiplication and addition. ഈ ഒരു എഴുതി നിങ്ങൾ ഇതിൽ പെൻസിലോണ്ട് എഴുതിയാൽ നിങ്ങൾ ക്ലിയർ ആവില്ല. ഒരു A4 ഷീറ്റിൽ എഴുതിയിട്ട് ഇതിന്റെ ആൻസർ എല്ലാം ആ ടേബിളിൽ എനിക്ക് ഇന്ന് തന്നെ പ്രൈവറ്റ് മെസ്സേജിലാക്കും. ദിസ് അസൈൻമെന്റ് മാർക്ക് ഉണ്ടാവും എക്സാം കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ. Now obtain the volume rectangle and obtain the product of. അതിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും സംശയം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കും. കാരണം I am going to binomial into binomialലേക്ക് പോവാണ്. Obtain the product. A into minus a square minus a cube. Volume is multiplication. Oralize ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നതല്ല. First one, 5a into 3a square plus 7a raised to 4. 5a into 3a into 7a raised to 4. Tell me first, what is the answer? First one, volume is L into B into H. 5a into 3a square into 7a raised to 4. All of you do this first. Find the volume. Write the question, find the volume. What is the answer? Find the volume. Volume is L into B into H. LBH. That is given there.
108
yes.
7.
5 into 3 into 7 into A into A square into A raised to 4. 5 3s are 15.
105
Ah, yes.
into a raised to
15 into
7.
7, 70, 105. And
7.
see, add to the power of 1, 1 plus 2 plus 4. If you are not following. $105 a raised to 7. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7. Correct, Ale?
Yes.
Okay. Now, second you can do. Third one, xy into 2s square y plus into 2sy square. Third one. Second homework, third one. Third bit. Xy into, all of you know that xy into 2s square y into 2xy square. 2xy square. What is it? Tell me the answer.
4x raised to 4 into y raised to 3.
Okay. 2 into 2, that means 4. X into s square into x, that means x raised to 4. Then y into y square, that also y raised to 4. X is 1x, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Then y also 4. That is the answer. Now, fifth question, second one. Obtain the product. One you can do. Second one. Obtain the product, second bit. Obtain the product means multiplication. Sum means addition. Difference means subtraction. Big number minus small number. Write this one. Then after that, obtain the product, second bit. A into minus a square into a cube. Third question, second bit. A into product A into minus a square. A into minus a square. Then a cube. Here minus is there. That is why I put the bracket. Into a cube. Into video then ആവശ്യമില്ല. So what is the answer here? I can write this one. A into minus a square into a cube. What is the answer? The answer. Look here. A to the power of 1 plus into minus into plus, that means minus. Plus into minus, 3 times will be minus. Plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. Now minus a to the power of 1 plus 2 plus 3.
6.
Minus a to the power of
6.
6. That is it. Minus, and don't confuse that minus is there. It is not as affecting the side. But be careful that minus a square and minus of this is different. Listen here. Our question is minus a square, not minus of a square. So be careful that minus a square and minus of a squares are different. Here our question is minus a square, minus a square. But suppose it is minus of a square, that is minus a into minus a, that is a square. Not it. minus of a square. Any number like that only. Listen here. Minus 3 square. That means minus 9. Minus 3 square. That means minus is outside this one. Minus 3 square. But if this is minus 3 whole square, that means what happened? What happened? What is going on? Okay. I think our time is over. I think so. Now,
You,
you
sir.
understood? This is somehow.
Yes.
Minus 3 whole square means minus into 3 into 3. This is minus 3 square means minus 3 into minus 3. That is 9. Now, we did monomial into monomial into monomial, whatever be that. Monomial into binomial, monomial into trinomial, like that. So please go through this one and send me what work I told you. And after that, you can check monomial by trinomial I told you. Then go to the example 5 and example 6. Don't go now. Example 5 you can. Okay then. Homework in Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.